Near an excavator, a crew was carrying out maintenance on the track assembly. Two men held a steel bar while another swung a hammer to adjust it. On the third blow, the hammer slipped from the bar and struck the worker standing close. Fortunately, the matter was managed swiftly and the worker got immediate care. This case emphasizes the need for wearing personal protective gear like helmets and safety gloves during repair tasks. Tools must be used with caution and workers should keep proper stance to avoid standing in the line of striking tools. Effective communication and teamwork also lower the chance of accidental blows. During maintenance, into an empty oil drum, as the grinder struck, the drum reacted suddenly due to leftover vapors within. What seemed like a normal task quickly became a hazardous situation, revealing how hidden dangers can arise without notice. This event stresses the risks of cutting or welding drums that once stored flammable materials. Even when they appear empty, vapors may linger and ignite from sparks. The safe method is to thoroughly clean and air out drums, use certified cutting practices, and follow hot work permits with correct preparation. These unseen dangers can be removed. The worker was untying the wire rope from a heavy steel bar after it had been lifted by an overhead crane. But as the crane began to raise the wire, it snagged against part of the bar. This caused the bar to flip suddenly, leaving the worker briefly trapped in a dangerous position. Before others could respond, this incident shows the importance of staying away from suspended loads and ensuring that lifting gear is free of obstructions. Before hoisting, workers must never stand within the swing or fall zone of heavy materials, as even a small shift can cause sudden movement. At a metal electroplating facility, a worker was positioning a container of sulfuric acid during routine duties. As the container moved, a splash occurred and droplets came into contact with the worker. This illustrates why strict precautions are crucial when working with chemicals. Always use certified containers, wear protective clothing, and follow proper handling methods to prevent splashes and exposure. A worker was loosening the wire rope from a heavy steel bar after it had been hoisted by an overhead crane, but as the crane started to lift the wire, it caught against part of the bar. This caused the bar to overturn suddenly, leaving the worker briefly trapped in a hazardous position before others could assist. This incident emphasizes the importance of keeping clear of suspended loads and ensuring that lifting equipment is free from obstacles before hoisting. Workers should never stand inside the swing or drop zone of heavy materials, as even a slight shift can trigger unexpected movement.